Hi guys, I'm Lego here and welcome back to another Minecraft video. Today I have another mod showcase for you guys, and it's a client-side mod. That means that it works on vanilla servers, as you can see here. Purple and Spigot and paper support is planned. I mean, it works to some extent, but there's still some work to do. So here we have a so-called chest monster, as you can see, and let's say we want to search for enchanted sword or something like that, and this is quite time consuming. What if we could just put down crafting bench and type in sharpness 3 sword. So this one is in here, and if we do that again, sharpness 3, and if we click it, it gets transferred to our inventory. We can also use tags, for example logs, and we can take out for example spruce logs. Then we can craft another crafting bench with them, or slabs and so on. You can't put items in currently, that's yet to be done, but yeah, initial release allows you to take items out or see where they are. So for example, if we type in thorns, you can see that this one is in chest located at -7, 96 and -2, and so on. I think we have, yeah, if we type barrel, this one is at -10, 97 and 0, and if we check it, as you can see, the targeted block is indeed the same coordinates. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.